Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to move or rearrange the Excel column. Sometimes people would like to move or rearrange the Microsoft Excel column. In this situation, how they can do this? This can be done by two options. Let's learn how you can move or rearrange the Excel column. In my Excel, I would like to rearrange some Excel column. So the first option, we can select the entire column what you would like to move. Then we have to press the shift key. Then you can move the cursor to end of the column. You can check it out, the plus icon has been displayed. You have to just drag it from where you would like to move there. See, now the name column has been moved. If you would like to move for other column, you have to select the particular column. Then you have to press the shift key and drag it into where you would like to move. So I would like to move this column also. That's it. The second option, you can add the number to rearrange that. So you have to enter the column number for the particular column. So this column should be first. So I have to enter the number 1. This should be second column. Then this should be third column. And the score should be fourth. And the grade should be fifth. So now we have to go to data tab. Then we have to select any one of the cell. Then click on the chart. It will be open the chart window. Here you have to click on the options button. It will be open the chart options. Here you have to select the chart left to right. So you have to click OK. Now you have to select the row should be first. Then you have to click OK. That's it. Now you can check it out. The column has been rearranged based on this number. In this way, you can move or rearrange the Excel column. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.